Christmas raffle draw.
Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
For the roll call. Every roll call participant will get a prize.
Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a
Yeah, are you guys ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? Alright, let's go. Let's sit down. You know the drill. Pick a name, pick a prize. Pick a name, Julie. Wait, let's shuffle this up. Okay. Alright, tell me when to stop. Okay. Got it? Alright. The name is Nicole Tirado, and she's gonna get a gem cover minder. Alright. Woo! Alright. Next name. Let's get a next name. Next name. For you, Rocket, get the next name. And little elf, get the next prize. Which one? Stop. All right. Jennifer T will get a black Diamond Shop pin. Yeah. My elves keep disappearing and appearing. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright. Alright. Pick a name and Rocket Elf, pick a prize. Pick a prize. Alright, give it. Alright, give me the name. Thank you. Ooh. Masha Peruera will be getting a bee surprise. Bee bag. Woo! Surprise! Surprise! Okay. The camera might fall, so try to stay over here. Okay? Name, please. And then prize, please. Got that prize? Who will it be? It is Coralie. And Coralie will get a keychain cabochon. An artist keychain cabochon. Yay! Alright. Well, the elf is putting her pants on. Rocket, come here. Okay, please pick a name and I'll pick a prize. Alright, let's pick this one. Our Diamond Shop affiliate, Marmalade and Toad PF Chen, is gonna get a Diamond Shop diamond painting sticker. Yay! Congratulations. Alright. a diamond painting de Sophie will get a Diamond Shop Gem Cover Minder. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, alright. Rocket. Prize, please. Thank you for the prize. Valerie Chapin or Chapin. Valerie Chapin will be getting a. He gets a bear. Valerie gets a bear. Congratulations. Alright, bring it back here. Bring it back here. Don't go crazy with the camera. Alright, don't go too crazy. Alright, who gets a name? Who wants to get a name? Okay, Lily, get a name, please. Alright. Thank you. This is Diamond Painting with the Besties. And she's gonna get a black Diamond Shop pin.
Yay!
Not too close to the camera, make it fall. Alright. More names and prizes to be picked. Alright. Pick a prize. Oh wait, Zulie's turn to pick the prize. Rocket's turn to pick the name. Oh, pick one. Pick one. This one? Yeah, it is a necklace. And the necklace will be won by Mary Howell, and she's getting the Heart Best Friends Friendship Necklace. Yay! Friendship. Alright. Pick a prize, Zulie. Pick a name, please. Pick a name. Alright, thank you. Nana Yoshida is gonna get a black brooch, a fancy black brooch. Congratulations! Alright, Zulie, come here. Help Daddy. Help Santa. Santa Daddy. Alright. Pick a name. Oh, pick one. Alright, and pick a prize. I got left behind by my... Oh, she got a prop. Okay, pick a prize. Pick a prize. Okay, thank you. Loyson Caroline is gonna get a Diamond Shop Gem Cover Minder.
Yay!
You got a sword? It's not a sword, that's a snorkel. Two. Alright, name please. Face the camera. You got a name? I will pick a prize this time.
I got sword.
Alright. Jean McGee. Jean McGee's gonna get a 20% discount coupon. Congratulations!
Yay!
Pick a price, please.
Yeah!
Which one? Alright, Rocket. Pick a name, please. Oh, I'll tell you what that is. Thank you. And Anka Sapunaru will be getting a pink Diamond Shop pin.
Yay! Yay!
Alright, last name for this volume. You want to pick the prize? Diamante Strass will be getting a Diamond Shop Beads container. Congratulations! And that's it for volume 188. Congratulations! Yay!
Yay!
Made it rain.
La la.